You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are confused, often confused for one another. The top word is a noun or a verb. Track is the pronunciation. To track, as in you're tracking something that is moving. Track, okay. The bottom word is a noun. It's a system of body of parts of organs, pronounced as tract, as in the digestive tract, for example. So, track with no T sound at the end, and tract with a T sound at the end. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.